Hola! To get today's and every look started, I'm going to use Zoria Plus Eyelid Cleanser. I'll start with my top eyelids, and I'm just going to gently apply it using a side-to-side motion on both sides. And then I'm going to go along my bottom eyelids as well. Perfect! Next up, Zoria Dermal Spray. And I'm just going to spritz it pretty much everywhere. Oh no, under eye creases. Ugh, I can't be seen. Just kidding. Zoria under eye cream to the rescue. Super soft, creamy consistency. And I'm just going to lightly pat it under my eyes. Happy, happy eyes. And now onto these lovely red cheeks. There's a fix for that too. Zoria AR Anti-Redness Cream. This stuff is seriously glorious. So I just gently apply it to both cheeks and along my forehead where my skin looks a little redder than, it really should be. Bueno. Now, on to eyeshadow primer. Ooh. So nice. I'm going to apply the fabulous Too Faced Shadow Insurance to both of my eyelids by rubbing just a little bit on with my ring fingers. Then we're going to use the Kat Von D Shadow and Light Eyeshadow Palette. And we're going to start out by using the shade Porcelain. I'm going to apply it from my lash line up to my eyebrow. Then do the same with the other eye. Yep. Then I'm going to use the color Quartz from that same palette. And I'm going to apply it across the bottom of my eyelids and work my way up right above my natural crease line. Then I'm going to blend it out. Both eyes. And now it's time to conceal things. Using a concealer brush, I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes and partially along my cheeks. Then across my forehead, right above and between my eyebrows, and along the round of my chin. So pretty. Time to blend, 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 blend. So, quite possibly the most popular Mexican artist in all of the world, Frida Kahlo, was best known for her uncompromising and vividly colored self-portraits that often dealt with themes like identity, the human body, and death. While she denied the connection, she's actually often identified as a surrealist. Next, on to foundation. And I'm going to use a beauty blender sponge to apply it. So, super interesting fact about Frida. She was born on July 6th, 1907 in Mexico City. However, she often told people she was born in 1910, 3 years after her actual birth, so they would directly associate her with the Mexican Revolution that began in 1910, which ended up playing a huge role in both her life and her art. So getting into that, before she began painting, Frida had actually dreamt of becoming a doctor. But at the young age of 18, Frida and her boyfriend at the time were in a tragic bus accident that left poor Frida bedridden and in the hospital for months. In an effort to help their daughter cope with her accident, Frida's parents ordered a special easel that she could use while lying down. This helped protect her fragile spine as well. Little did they know. Now to apply a loose setting powder. I love this loose mineral powder by Mary Kay. It's super light, but it covers really well. And I'm going to apply it pretty much all over for a nice matte look. And now on to blush. Frida was known for always having rosy cheeks. And I'm going to apply this blush to both of my cheeks. And along my jawline. And along the crown of my head. And a little more to the cheeks. Going back to that eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the color Dusk, and I'm going to apply it to both sides of my nose, right above my upper lip, and around the corners of my lips, and a little between my eyebrows. Ravishing. Alright, busting out the Lorac Pro Palette. And we're going to use the color Taupe. And I'm going to go back over that area between my eyebrows, arching it in the center ever so slightly. Then lightly back over those areas around my lips. And along my natural brows, just lightly. And that'll do it. And of course, we want to blend it all out. So Frida loved her facial hair so much, she often exaggerated her monobrow and mustache, which were far less obvious in photos of her. Now to highlight. Ooh. And I'm going to apply it under, under both eyes, working my way from the center and going upward. And under that blush I just applied. And a little bit along the center of my forehead and to the round of my chin. Then, of course, I'm going to blend it all out using a blending sponge. I don't paint dreams or nightmares. I paint my own reality. And now I'm using a brown eyebrow filler pencil. And I really exaggerated my own eyebrows. And just a little more in the center there. So in Frida's career, she created 143 paintings total, out of which 55 are self-portraits. Kahlo said, "I paint myself because I am so often alone and because I am the subject I know best." Her self-portraits are actually considered among the finest ever created. Yep, that's definitely the look we're going for. And I'm going to fill it in just a hair more. And now on to that upper lip area. And I definitely want to blend it out some afterwards. Eyebrows, brow too. Oh yes, I like this very much. Oh hey there, it's me, Courtney. Ah, Frida! Wow, on to eyeliner. I'm going to line the inner portion of my upper eyelid using an eyeliner pencil. This right here is why the Zoria eyelid cleanser and the Dermal spray are so important. Now, to make my eyes pop and appear just a little larger, I'm going to line my bottom eyelids with a white eyeliner pencil. Time to curl those lashes. And the other side. And now onto some revolutionary mascara. You see what I did there? I am going to apply Zoria Lash Mascara to both of my top lashes. And then onto both of the bottom lashes. Okay. Okay, we've almost got a look here. I think I can see it coming together. So now going back to the Kat Von D palette, I'm going to use Glacier. And I'm going to find the outermost portion of the bridge of my nose and contour it a little further out than that natural area actually goes. This is going to make my nose appear to be just a tad larger than it really is. And blend. And that is how you enlarge your nose without surgery. Ha! And onto the lips. I'm just going to outline the edges, then fill in the center ever so slightly. Frida was often seen sporting a bright red lip, which she viewed as a claim of strength and power. I can't argue. I mean, red lipstick does make me feel kind of really empowered sometimes too. And using my black eyeliner pencil, I'm going to lightly go over my bottom lash lines, trying to avoid that area lined in white as much as possible. Yes! And I'm just going to go back over the crown of my forehead with a little more blush just to accentuate that area some more. I leave you my portrait so that you will have my presence all the days and nights that I am away from you. Frida Kahlo. Ta-da! If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more just like it, make sure to hit that thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel for tons of other awesome videos. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! See you next time. Bye!